realtors actually sometimes know wholesalers. Now this category, remember again, all realtors are not built equally, right? So you're going to find some that know wholesalers and deal with investors and some that don't, most that don't. So your job is to comb through all of them and find the ones that do. If you go to the investment groups and there are realtors there, there's a pretty good chance they're the kind you want to work with. They might be bombarded, but that's not really what you have to worry about up front. If they're performing and send you stuff, it doesn't matter if they're working with 10 realtors or with 10 investors if they have enough deals. And then again, you might have a realtor that's only working with one other investor and they are bombarded because they don't have enough inventory flowing through them. So I recommend that you talk to them, just ask them questions. Again, the format's the same. Get their name, their number, what they specialize in, what they do, what they're looking for. I had a lady, I was sitting there talking insurance with her, and I can't even remember what she said, but something sparked my mind to think, I should ask her if she wants to bird dog. I think she said her son was a contractor or something like that. It made me think about real estate investing. And she said, yeah, there's a house at the end of my street that has one of those signs from the bank on the window. And I said, excellent. How would you like to go and get that information off the sign for me? And she did. And that's how those conversations happen. So you need sellers, whether it's the person you're talking to or the seller that's down the street from the person you're talking to or wherever they are. But you definitely need teams. So remember, we're going to keep pushing you guys until you have a full team. And yes, that's a little different if you're wholesaling versus fixing and flipping or landlording. But most of the core team is the same. So remember that this part, the point I wanted to make is with realtors, they know people. Some realtors know some people, some know other people. All of them should know good loan officers, good mortgage brokers, but remember you need money to fund your deals too unless you have a stash of cash of your own and you want to use it. Even if you have a stash of cash, you might not want to tie it all up. So you're always looking for private money lenders, hard money lenders, and good loan officers and mortgage brokers. So realtors are an excellent networking source for money sources.